avocado ice candy and mango ice candy today.
Ang pag-inom ng avocado shake kada linggo ay isa sa epektibong paraan para ma-achieve ang mala-porsilanang cookies.
Mango at avocado na ice candy. Mango ice candy at
Narito
avocado
ang
ice
magagandang
candy.
benepisyo na nakukuha sa ating avocado. Healthy heart dahil sa potassium na mahalagang mineral na nakatutulong upang makontrol ang blood pressure sa ating puso na maiwasan ang sakit sa puso. Prevent osteoporosis dahil sa rich in calcium, magnesium, vitamin C, D, and K. Magnesium aids to bone and help prevent osteoporosis. Lower risk of depression. Avocado high in folates which can help with depression by allowing for more efficient nutrient delivery to the brain. Improve brain health. Dahil sa omega-3, may increase the risk of mental health disorder. It helps maintain brain function during aging. Healthy hair. Ang healthy fats ng avocado help to promote hair growth, they nourish the scalp, and strengthen hair. Healthy skin. Ang antioxidant na nakukuha sa avocado, it helps to prevent wrinkles and aging. Helps to prevent cancer. Bone health because more calcium na nakukuha sa ating avocado. Boost fertility at nakapagpapalinaw ng ating mata. A good detoxifier. Protection in chronic disease. Ayan, thank you for watching. Hanggang sa sunod muli.